Book of Heaven, Volume 2, May 31st, 1899. Opposition serves so that the truth may shine more in its own time. This morning, as I was in my usual state, my adorable Jesus came, and at that very moment I saw the confessor. Jesus appeared a little disappointed with him, because it seemed that the confessor wanted everyone to approve that my case was the work of God, and almost wanted to convince by manifesting something of my interior to other priests. Jesus turned to the confessor and said to him,
"This is impossible. Even I received oppositions, and from people among the most distinguished, and also from priests and other dignities. They found fault with my holy works, to the point of stigmatizing me as possessed by the devil. But I permit these oppositions, even from religious people, so that the truth may shine more in its own time. If you want to consult with 2 or 3 priests among the most good and holy, and also learned, in order to receive enlightenment, and also to do what I want in the things to be done, such as advice from the good and prayer, this I permit. But the rest, no. It would be like wanting to spoil my works and expose them to mockery, which displeases me very much."
Then he said to me,
"What I want from you is an upright and simple operating. Do not bother about the pros and cons of the creatures. Let them think what they want, without being the least troubled, since wanting that all be favorable is like wanting to deviate from the imitation of my life."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.